Hey, what is up, guys? I'm back on a video. So yeah, hey guys. Today I'm gonna be reacting to a video of mine that I was trying to tell you the hidden messages of I'm trying to pee, but this girl disturbed. You're not gonna hear any audio, I think. Yeah, you're not gonna hear any audio. That's what I'm thinking right now. But yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna show you the girl. Hold up. That's why I cut it off. Yeah, she's annoying. She's very annoying. She disturbed my YouTube channel. I mean, my video. That's what I don't like. I really don't like that. When people disturb my videos, it just gets me. It just gets me aggravated. Like, oh, why did you have to do that? Like, it just gets me like that. Like, for real. Hold up, I'm gonna try to put you up here. Will it work? It has to work. Work. Oh my god, okay. So yeah. I just hate when people do that. It's very annoying. So we only have like 3 more seconds of it, so let's get right. That's when I cut it off. I was like, okay, that's enough. I was like, why did you have to do that? I was having a good time. Why? 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 Okay, let's go to my YouTube channel. The reason I picked Roy Vlogs is because I was like super curious, and you know me. Yo, I look like Michael Jackson. Yeah, I got 112 views. That's a lot for me. So, if you can please watch me on all my videos, I would be grateful. Cause I'm trying to get to 2,000 views and everything. And I was like, yo, what? Remember I told you guys if I got like 1,000 views on, we hit 200 views on I'm trying to pee plush video. Do you guys remember that? I'll become even paler. You guys have to remember that. Okay, hold up. Yeah. You guys have to remember that, because it was like, I don't know what I would do. I was like, oh, we probably had like 1,000 views in 1 year, blah, 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 blah. And when was that? Wasn't that like 2 months ago? I'm trying to pee. The plush video was one of the most successful videos I ever made. I mean, it was hard to focus. I mean, it was hard to make, but with you guys' help, you guys made it come true. Now, the trailer that I did was a parody for I'm Trying to Pee Part 2. And yeah, that was... Okay, the trailer that I did for I'm Trying to Pee Part 2 was fake. I'm actually gonna come out with it in a few weeks. I know you guys been waiting for it. Wait, hold up. Let's check how many views I got on it. Wasn't that too long ago, right? Oh, hold up. Go to my YouTube channel. I was pissed off right there. Videos. Okay. Hold up. Because that trailer seemed way too long. 4 minutes and... So yeah, this is a fake. This is all a fake right now. Fake. I forgot to like leave it on the description. Yeah. Loop. So yeah, this is all a fake right now. Like, the video, this right here, I'm showing a P Part 2 trailer. Yeah, this is all fake. Okay, I'm a big Michael Jackson fan. Don't judge me. Because you guys see me dancing. So yeah, it's pretty awkward. Hey, what's up, guys? So, I started putting my intro around... Well, where's the videos that I always put it? Hold up, what? Oh, I blurred my face. I blurred my face because I got copyrighted. I lied. Something's gonna pop up. Yeah, I had to blur my face because I was copyrighted. I'm sorry. Down per movie scene. She's a slave to the rhythm. Guys, go watch this. For real, it's a good song. She's a slave to the rhythm. That's a hologram, by the way, guys. This came out in 2014. Yeah. May 19th. Over there in the stage, there are holograms. But the one down here are not holograms. They're real people. Dances to... She dances. To the rhythm. Sorry, I just like the song. I'm not actually gonna play it through all. Wait, what? It's a fake hologram? I don't know if you guys can read Spanish, but holograms hologram from Michael Jackson is fake. The hologram is fake. I cannot. Oh, okay. This is fake. And that will be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. I won't put my intro anymore. I'm sorry, guys. Bye.